Hey, meteorologist Pete Mangione here, and we have a great weekend of weather ahead. Especially today, we're looking at mostly sunny skies. High temperatures inland should be in the mid to upper 70s. Breezes start from the northeast and then turn from the east-southeast at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Humidity, not much of a factor today. We're talking about dew points in the 50s for much of the area, so that's pretty comfortable here for southern New England for this time of year. I did want to show you how temperatures will vary by location. Now this is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I do think that because we're starting with winds from that north-northeasterly direction, even the south coast should be able to make it into the low to mid-70s edge inland areas. And then watch what happens deeper into the afternoon and the evening. This is around 5 or 6 p.m. The inland temperatures may keep rising a bit into the upper 70s, but look at the coast. Westerly, Newport, you're in the mid-60s to low 70s. So at this point, that breeze starts to turn in a bit from the southeast. So yes, it's a sea breeze today, but it may be a bit of a late arriving sea breeze. That's all for now. I will be posting another update later here on WPRI.com. Thank you so much for watching.